we are going to see what is better, the Natural Museum or the Science Museum.
Oh wow, look at the dinosaur eggs. You can touch the skin of the dinosaur. Look at the bear, it's huge. Go and stand next to him. Look how big the bear is. We can't get one of those because he's stuffed. That's amazing, it's a polar bear. Jurassic Ocean's journey back in time to more than 200 million years ago.
This was like the thing of the fish.
Yeah, that's the fish's scales. You're going to touch the dinosaur claw?
Yeah.
Is it sharp?
Yeah.
What have you got there?
So you have to, there's some stuff here, and they give us this to like put it all of the animals here from water. This is a swimming dinosaur. We're gonna do them again because we love it.
It's a dinosaur poop. You want to touch it?
No.
I'm going to touch the dinosaur poop. It's a squidgy. Oh, it's hard.
It's hard. It's been not severe soon. This one is gonna be better. This is how it looks like inside. It's cool. It's a very cool space pole. This is how they come back in the moon. This is what they wear to go to the moon.
To space.
How much poop is in the moon?
How much poo is on the moon? Okay, put it in. Let's see where the McLeans are from. There we go, look. Highlands of Scotland. I think we've just died and gone to gaming heaven in the Science Museum. Which generation are you? I know which generation I am. Definitely had the Sega Mega Drive back in the day.
I love the Science Museum because of the games, it was the best ever. I love London. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.